How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna get a little bit of garden work in. I'm gonna take the Mahindra out here into the garden and try to dig some sweet potatoes because I'm too lazy to get a shovel out and I really don't have a pitchfork. So we've got 2 hills of sweet potatoes we're gonna try to dig out, and then the wife, daughters, and I are going to go ahead and get the pumpkins and gourds out of the garden here before the bugs take care of them. Oddly enough, here in the late part of August, our pumpkins and gourds are already ready. Usually they're not ready for another month or so, or at least a few more weeks, so we get into September. So stick around and we'll have a little bit of fun outside today. It's a warm one today in eastern Iowa. I think it was around 93 degrees today with a little bit of humidity, but it's bearable. So stick around and we'll get after it here. So now we're going to clean the garden off. I'm using the box blade here with the scar fires down, and I'm going to pull the vines and all the leftover vegetation in the garden to one side. Once I get this done, I've got the bucket on the front of my loader here, and I've got the edge tamers spaced apart just enough, about 12 inches from each end to keep the bucket from digging in. And I will use the bucket scoop up the vegetation and throw it over here in our compost pile. So when it dries out, I can burn it and it's gone forever. Call me lazy, that may be the fact, but this is making life a lot easier. I'm not busting my butt, and I'm barely even sweating while I sit down this comfortable tractor. Hope you guys enjoyed the time out in the garden today. Seeing me use the Mahindra Max 26 here. It was fun. I did use the edge tamers on the bucket to help grab some of the vines and such and weeds, whatever's left in that pile, and put it over into my compost pile. Probably didn't need to use it, but I want to see how well it floated across the ground, help me pick things up without digging in and making a mess. Put the box blade to use. It worked really well at pulling all the vines and weeds into a pile so I can move them. It was just overall fun. So hopefully we get to enjoy these gourds and pumpkins and they don't rot away. Like always, if you guys like the content today, give me that thumbs up on the video. If you're not already part of the YouTube family, hit that red button and hit the little bell next to it. That way you get notifications when I post more videos. Put some feedback down in the comments. I like hearing about you guys' daily lives and or if you have any feedback on the video. I appreciate you tuning in. We'll have some more tractor fun here in the future. And until next time, I'll see ya.